I really, really hope that this is the screen that you get after a couple days or a couple weeks or even a couple months. But I really hope that this is what you see when you log into your storefront on a desktop. You cannot see this on a phone, only on a desktop. But hopefully you'll log in one day just to see, oh Lord, let me see if my videos are still sitting there. And then this will pop up saying that you have been approved and that you are eligible to start making money with your commissions on the Amazon Influencer Program. Unfortunately, some people do get denied on the first round of their initial videos, but not all is lost. This is the screen that you will get when you are denied. I just wanted you to know what it looked like so you won't be caught completely off guard if you do see it. Fingers crossed, toes crossed that you don't. But just in case you do, what we will do is we will go back to the drawing board. We will find new products to review. We will go over the videos that you first submitted and we will talk about why possibly they could have been denied because Amazon does not really give you a reason. They just simply say that your videos were not approved to be featured on our product pages. Please try again. They do not give you a lot of feedback, unfortunately, but I have seen a lot of videos. I've done a lot of videos. I've talked to a lot of influencers. So together we will get you approved. So don't lose too much faith for sure. But we will have to delete these first three videos and we will have to go back to the drawing board to find some new things to review. So don't get too discouraged, really. We will get you approved.